Hi guys, and welcome to C++ tutorial of a lottery number generator developed using C++ builder with a do while loop. Okay, so let me just show you guys how this works. When you click on this button, and there we go, there it generates different lottery number. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take you guys straight into C++ builder, and we put one of these together. So let's exit out and we'll start a new project. Go to file, new, and right there our form is ready. So I'm going to change the dimension of that form to 800. The height will be 800, the width will be 1386. There, come straight to the palette here and let's select TG. That's a group box. Just dump the group box there, position it that much, get rid of the text content, but I'm going to change that to 1300. Yeah, 1300 is fine. Then I'm going to make the height about 700 and get rid of the text content that we have in there. Change the back color to money green. There we go, money green. There. Now let's go back to the palette and we'll grab hold of TL, that's the label. Drop the label, dump it there. Now TE, that's the text editor, and TB, drag that, that's for the button. Select the three components and increase the font size to 72 bold. There we go, change that to 72, select bold. There. Now move this down here and let's move this button down a little bit. The label, let's change the content of this very label. I'm going to change that to lottery number generator. Let's come to the caption, change that to lottery, or let's just say lotto number generator. There we go, that is good enough. So for the button, we change the button to number generator, something like that, and just extend it that much. Okay, so let's get rid of this, or get hold of this e-editor and change the content in there, or delete the content in there, and name this one. Let's come in here and just give the name, call it ED Lottery 1. So I'm now going to copy this, Control C, Control V, paste. Copy again, Control C, Control V, paste, and we'll paste another one. Copy and paste. There we go. Alright, so we have our random number display object there. So double click on this button number, and in there I'm going to be using a do while loop. So I will start by first of all declaring a variable. I'm going to call that L, or L, no, let's say J equals 1, give it a value of 1, enter semicolon. Now come right down here, use a do and enter statement block. So inside the statement block I'm going to enter my editor. So the editor, they don't have a name yet. I should actually give them a name. So let's come in here. This one is Lotto 1, that's good. E Lotto 1, this one will be E Lotto 2, E Lottery 3, E Lottery 4, then this one is going to be ED Lottery 5, ED Lottery 6. There, they all have a name now. So come right in here. So start by saying ED Lottery 1, pointer, text, that will be equals int to string, so we have to convert it from integer to string character. Then come right in here, enter the random function. Okay, now open up a bracket and just enter J in there and block that. That is it, done. So underneath here we must say J plus plus, that is to increment J. So I'm just going to copy ed letter 1, ed letter 2, letter 3, 4, 5 and 6, and change the number, the value I need to their respective value, that is 4, 3, 2, there, and that is it. So we then need to now specify why J is less than or equals to 59, because we want it to select between 1 and 59. So we want to enter semicolon there as well. And that's it. We just finished creating our own lottery number generator using do while loop. So let's save it first before we give it a try. Save. So I'm going to call that lottery, no, let's say lotto. That would be underscore do underscore w underscore, no, let's put an underscore here, underscore u. Okay, now let's just say do while loop, just like that. Okay, so that's the first one. Now let's create a folder. So that's the name of the folder, do while loop lottery. Double click on that very folder and click on save. Okay, now let's save the project as well, and I'm going to represent that with a P. Save and save. There we go. So now come in here and click on run. There we go, right there, guys. So let's click on this button. There we go. Now you see when the program started, the form was kind of like lying on the right hand side. So I'm going to select this form. Let's go straight here. You see the properties here, or the object inspector, where we have a line. Change your line to center, and that should take care of that. And also this one, I need to move this one there. Let's see. Okay, looking good. Let's see here as well. And just rearrange it properly. Okay, let's run it one more time. Click on run. There we go, look at that. Just click on the button there. And that is how you generate your own lottery numbers using C++ Builder with C++ language. So with that, I'm going to call it the end of this beautiful tutorial. I suppose you guys enjoy it, and please do subscribe to this, my second channel. And I'll see you guys shortly. Bye for now.